Bridget Bishop was the first person executed for witchcraft during the Salem witch trials in 1692. 19 were hanged, and one, Giles Corey, was pressed to death. Altogether, about 200 people were tried. Bridget's maiden name was Magnus. She and her sister Mercy, her father John, and her mother Rebecca adopted the last name Playfair, Bridget's paternal grandmother's maiden name. She was married 3 or possibly 4 times. She married her first husband, Captain Samuel Wesselby, on 13 April 1660 at St. Mary in the Marsh, Norwich, Norfolk, England. She had 2 sons and 1 daughter from her first marriage, John, Benjamin, and Mary. Her first husband died in 1666. Her second marriage, on 26 July 1666, was to Thomas Oliver, a widower and prominent businessman. She had another daughter from her marriage to Thomas Oliver, Christian Oliver, born 8 May 1667. She was earlier accused of bewitching Thomas Oliver to death, but was acquitted for lack of evidence. Her third marriage c. 1687 was to Edward Bishop, a prosperous sawyer, whose family lived in Beverly. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.